Have you noticed your muscles getting weaker as you age? Do simple tasks now feel heavier than before? You're not alone. Sarcopenia, the silent muscle loss after age 60, affects millions of seniors. But here's the good news. What if nature gave us a simple and delicious way to fight back? In today's video, we reveal the top 5 fruits that not only taste amazing, but also help rebuild your muscles and reverse the effects of aging. This is not just about eating better. It's about regaining strength, confidence, and control over your life. Stay with us. Number 3 will surprise you, and it might already be sitting in your kitchen. Hello, and welcome. Dear viewers, thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means you care about your health and your future. We honor your time, and we're truly grateful for your presence here. May you always be surrounded by peace, strength, and wellness. We pray that your body grows stronger, your spirit stays bright, and your dreams come closer every day. You are not alone in this journey. Let us walk together toward a healthier and happier life. You have every right to feel strong, vibrant, and alive, no matter your age. Don't let anyone tell you that muscle loss is the end of the road. It's just a signal for change. Today is a new opportunity, a chance to take one simple step forward. Your body is more capable than you think. Your willpower is stronger than your doubt. If you've ever dreamed of climbing stairs without pain, walking further without rest, or simply getting out of bed feeling fresh again, this message is for you. Before we go deeper, make sure you click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. That small action helps this message reach more people like you seniors who deserve strength and independence. And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs hope today. Now, let's dive in and discover the fruits that can truly change your life after Sarcopenia is the medical term for the loss of muscle mass as we age, starting as early as your 40s and accelerating after 60. It can make walking, lifting, or even standing more difficult. You may not notice it at first, but slowly, muscles shrink, energy fades, and your confidence takes a hit. This condition is not just about weakness. It increases your risk of falling, slows down your recovery from illness, and affects your independence. But the right nutrition can make a massive difference. If sarcopenia is left unchecked, the consequences can be serious. Seniors with low muscle mass are more likely to suffer from injuries, slower healing, and even loss of independence. Imagine not being able to open a jar, walk without help, or enjoy your favorite hobbies. That's why early action is key. Your diet plays a powerful role in muscle repair, and certain fruits are like nature's medicine, rich in nutrients that help fight muscle breakdown. Let's explore these gifts from nature. The solution doesn't require expensive supplements or intense workouts. In fact, it starts with simple, accessible fruits. These are not ordinary snacks. They are muscle-building allies packed with antioxidants, potassium, fiber, and amino acids. When you eat the right fruits consistently, you feed your muscles with what they need to grow back stronger. And when paired with light movement, the results can be amazing. Let's uncover the top 5 fruits that science and tradition agree on. First up, bananas. They're not just for potassium. Bananas support muscle recovery, reduce cramping, and give your body quick energy for movement. Their magnesium content also helps relax muscles and prevent spasms. Second, avocados. Rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, avocados support muscle repair and reduce inflammation. They also provide fiber, which improves digestion and nutrient absorption. Add these two to your morning routine and feel the difference in just weeks. Now here comes number 3, and it might surprise you, papaya. Yes, this tropical fruit is a secret weapon against sarcopenia. Papaya is packed with enzymes like papain, which help break down protein efficiently so your body can use it to rebuild muscles. It's also rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen production essential for strong muscles and joints. Enjoying ripe papaya regularly can help reduce stiffness and improve flexibility. Fourth, blueberries. These little berries are rich in antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, a major contributor to muscle aging. Studies show blueberries can actually enhance muscle strength and reduce inflammation. Fifth and finally, pomegranates. Known for boosting blood flow and reducing muscle soreness, pomegranates support recovery after even mild physical activity. With their natural nitrates, they also help deliver oxygen to muscle tissues more efficiently. These 5 fruits are more than delicious. They are powerful tools to help you reclaim your strength, reverse sarcopenia, and feel more alive than ever. Bananas, avocados, papaya, blueberries, and pomegranates each brings unique benefits to support your journey. Combined with small daily movements like walking or stretching, they can restore your confidence and mobility. Your kitchen can be your medicine cabinet, and your plate, your path to power. If this video gave you new hope or valuable insight, please hit the like button and subscribe for more powerful tips like this. Share this with a friend, parent, or grandparent who needs to hear it. Let's build a strong, supportive community of seniors helping each other stay healthy and vibrant. Every share could change a life, and your voice matters. Comment below with your favorite fruit from today's list or one you'd like us to explore next. Remember, age is just a number. Strength is a choice. And every day is a new chance to take your health into your hands. You are not weak. You are wise, experienced, and capable of transformation. Your muscles can grow again. Your energy can return. And your spirit can shine even brighter than before. Thank you for being here. Stay strong, stay curious, and never stop believing in yourself. We're cheering for you always.